All right, now for our final presentation, we only need two columns, right? So we need the device type and the average order value. Now before that, we can do one more thing. We can sort of try and sort the data set by the AOV column. So starting from the lowest to the highest or the highest to the lowest, right? That we can do using the arrange function. Let us say we want to arrange the data in the ecom5 data set by the AOV column, right? So now by default it goes in the ascending order, right? It starts with the lowest value and goes to the highest value. If you want to do it in the descending order, what you can do is you can use the function descending, the short is DESC, and then specify the name of the column, right? So now it is in the reverse order, right? It starts with the highest average order value and goes up to the lowest average order value. So before we do this, we'll first select the columns that we need, right? Which is basically AOV and device. So let us go to ecom6. Here we'll select from ecom5 device and AOV, right? So you can see the output here. From 4 columns we are now come to 2 columns, and the final one, like I said, right? So our final output would be ecom6, sorry, our final output will be arrange ecom6 dataset by the AOV column, right? So it's arranged in the ascending order from the lowest value to the highest value, right? So, and this is also the solution that we sort of saw in the beginning, right? So here you can see the solution that we came, and here you can see the same, right? Only thing is we have now arranged it in ascending order. But if I combine all of these steps that we followed, right, from ecom1 to ecom6, we ended up creating, let us say, about 6 additional data sets, right? So with every step we created a new data set which resulted from the previous step. So here we have ecom6, and so this is what we did. This is our final solution. Right, so here you can see the final solution that we have.